116-48, the match against Angola. And Croatia beating Brazil by 17. But this is the test. This could be the nearest anyone gets to the USA.
And immediately, coach Peter Skansi of Croatia sprung a surprise in his starting five. A player of 7 feet tall, no one knows anything about. Svečaničan, the number 6, but that was Sir Charles Barkley opening the account of the Dream Team.
Barkley, who had a bit of a confrontation with one of the Angolans in the opening match and was told in no uncertain terms by Michael Jordan to cool his act, otherwise he would be in danger of being blown out. A lovely move there. There's the reply from Vrankovic.
I'll tell you what, Simon, this is the NBA pros, 5 of them against 4 players who are good enough to play in the pros and one other. We have Drazen Petrovic, the number 4. We have the number 11, Stojan Vrankovic for Croatia. And, of course, 14, Dino Radja and Toni Kukoc could play in the NBA.
And a shot there of Toni Kukoc, who we reckon is the best player in Europe. Here's Petrovic. A bad move from Johnson. Petrovic should have made more of that. Here's Kukoc. In it goes to Radja. Croatia in front.
The crowd know they've got a game here. The only problem is that the Dream Team go all the way down to the end of the bench, whereas Croatia, they probably only go halfway. And was that a 3 from Michael Jordan?
Jordan announces his presence in the match. It was indeed a 3.
Bit of a surprise there on the matchups. It's Scottie Pippen taking Kukoc. Everybody expected it to be Jordan, but Pippen, the all-round, the utility player, has taken Kukoc. And there's a foul by Sir Charles Barkley. He fouls Dino Radja, and the expression on Barkley's face says it all.
General feeling about the referees that the ball handler in the States is protected much more than he is over here. But that off the ball in the NBA, they can do almost anything they like.
That's right. And that was one of Chuck Daly, the coach to the Dream Team, coach of the USA, one of his misgivings. The Prince of Pessimism has Chuck Daly been called, and one of the reasons for his pessimism is that his team are not used to playing international rules, and therefore obviously with international referees.
2 more for Radja.
Radja, one of the highest paid professionals outside America, and his credentials are such that he could play in the NBA. And look at that for a block shot. Vrankovic carries on where he left off in Zaragoza, but Pippen hustles to get the rebound. The first shot was blocked, but not the second. It was a foul.
But Vrankovic, look how pleased he is with that. And on the bench there, Peter Skansi, it really was something he'll remember there. Block shot against Pippen.
The block shot was Vrankovic. The foul was the number 6, Danko Svečaničan. And a bearded Scottie Pippen on the line ties the scores at 6 apiece.
Pippen from the Chicago Bulls.
Very stoic looks on the bench there from the parade of American coaches. Coach Chuck Daly with assistants Mike Krzyzewski, Lenny Wilkins and PJ Carlesimo.
And a poor move there from Barkley. Got the rebound though.